3, 2, 1. Congratulations.
That was a very special moment at the Bombay Stock Exchange. The ceremonial ringing of the bell to bring trading to a close. Manappuram Finance Ltd and its co-promoters VP Nandakumar and Sushma Nandakumar were marking a milestone, the 20th anniversary of its listing back in 1995. In the 2 decades, Manappuram had emerged from the ranks to become one of India's leading NBFCs and a remarkable wealth creator for investors. It's a story that begins here. Valapad, a coastal fishing village in the Thrissur district of Kerala. These days, it is well known as the home of Manappuram Finance Ltd. Founded in 1949 by VC Padmanabhan, a visionary of his times, the firm was into money lending and pawnbroking. VC Padmanabhan earned a reputation as a man true to his word, and Manappuram became a trusted name. VC Padmanabhan passed away in 1986. His son, VP Nandakumar, took over, and a period of breathtaking growth followed. He promoted Manappuram Finance Ltd in 1992. Within 3 years, its equity shares were listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Celebrated international private equity firm Sequoia Capital invested in the company in 2007, along with a host of other PE players, giving wings to its growth. Today, VP Nandakumar is recognized as a dynamic business leader and wealth creator. He is ably supported by a board of directors drawn from the most distinguished names in India's financial sector. Mr. Jagdish Kapoor, a former Deputy Governor of RBI and former Chairman of HDFC Bank, served as the Chairman of the Board from 2012 to October 2021. The new Chairman is Mr. Shailesh J. Mehta, a prominent US investor and philanthropist and patron of the Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management at IIT Mumbai. Independent directors on the board include Mr. Abhijit Singh, a former CFO at Citibank, and Mr. Harshan Kollara, a former executive director of the Federal Bank. 2014 was a pivotal year for Manappuram. After years of single-minded focus on gold loans, a strategic rethink led to a push for diversification. It began with a determined foray into commercial and other vehicle loans, followed by affordable home loans. In 2015, the company acquired the Chennai-based Ashirvad Microfinance. A loan book of 300 crore rupees has now grown to over 7,000 crore rupees, making Ashirvad the 4th largest NBFC microfinance institution, empowering women across 24 states in India. In 2018, India's non-banking financial sector was thrown into turmoil by the default of a large AAA-rated NBFC. As the markets panicked over asset-liability mismatches, Manappuram Finance remained unshaken. In the September 2019 quarter, a very stressful period, the rating agency Thrissur upgraded the credit ratings of only 3 NBFCs in India, all from the Manappuram stable. In December 2019, the Economic Times newspaper published a list of the 500 leading wealth creators for the year. At the top of the chart, Manappuram Finance Ltd. The year 2020 began with COVID-19 shaking markets around the world. In India, the financial sector went into a freeze, but for gold loans it was business as usual. To the common people facing unprecedented financial stress, it was a lifeline. The pandemic forced a paradigm shift across industry, what soon became the new normal. Manappuram responded swiftly to the new realities. A brand new app was launched that allowed a seamless shift from conventional to online gold loan, where all transactions can be done digitally. A new product was rolled out, the Doorstep Gold Loan, where the loan is disbursed at the customer's residence. A digital office was introduced to eliminate movement of paper files. As employees worked from home, training was delivered to them digitally through an advanced LMS platform developed in-house. In October 2021, the global rating agency S&P upgraded the company's long-term issuer credit rating. Beyond business, Manappuram Finance instituted the VC Padmanabhan Memorial Awards for Excellence in 2010. Over the years, many eminent personalities have been recognized for their contributions to India's progress. Today, as Manappuram Finance enters its fourth decade, it has helped millions in India rise with their aspirations, building a better future for their families, their communities, for India.